Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukara. In this video, we are going to discuss the striking down of G.O.N.1 by Honorable AP High Court yesterday, that is on 12/5/2023. The legal effects, why it was stricken down by the Honorable Court. Before commencing the video, please remember this word. The court opined that the GO did not stand to the test of law. The GO did not stand to the test of law. Second point, the GO is a violation of fundamental rights. If you know these two words, the entire synopsis you can easily understand. Right, the genesis of the issue goes like this. On 2nd January 2023, the government of Andhra Pradesh, they brought G.O.N.1 within brackets Home-Legal 2 Department dated 2/1/2023, basing on the legislative powers under section 30 of the Police Act of 1860. Yes, they have given instructions that they can regulate the meetings which occur by public highways, state highways, municipal roads and panchayat roads. In other words, we can say that the people cannot hold functions by the side of highways, etc. Agreed by this. Of course, there is a problem also. Before that, let me tell you clearly. A ghastly incident took place in Kandukur of erstwhile Prakasham district, presently it has gone to Nellore. During the meeting of the ex-CM Chandrababu Naidu, so many people died. Immediately, after 3 or 4 days, same thing repeated in Guntur also. To curb the so-called rallies in the public places, the government says that he has brought the GO. So, stating that it is a draconian GO, CPI State General Secretary Ramakrishna, CPM Ramakrishna, Gidugu Rudraj Garu of Congress, Kolu Ravindra of TDP, and Bajpa, Kanna Lakshmana Garu, all these people, they have filed writ petitions before the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Of course, they were stayed, and immediately the government approached the division bench. They have once again relaxed, and ultimately some of these people went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court very recently, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, he has remanded matter back to High Court, stating that High Court has to decide immediately. And yesterday, Honorable High Court, Chief Justice of High Court Prashant Kumar Misro and Honorable Justice D.V.S.S. Somayajalu, they have delivered the verdict stating that G.O.N.1 is against to the constitutional morality. It has crashed G.O.N.1. Right. So, here the observations of the High Court are necessary. Number one, High Court observed that the net effect, no doubt, the government says that they are there only to regulate, not to curb the public meetings. But the net effect is to impose a ban on all the meetings on the public highways, state highways, municipality and panchayat roads. Then where they have to conduct the meeting? Maybe in an isolated place. But will the people come there? I'll speak in Telugu. సహజంగా మీటింగులు గతంలో మరి చాలామంది ఏపీ హైకోర్టు శాంతి యాత్ర చేశారు, చాలామంది రాజశేఖర రెడ్డి గారు చేశాడు యాత్ర, మన జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు యాత్ర చేశాడు. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళారు? హైవే మీద కదా మీటింగులు పెట్టింది. సో కాబట్టి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేటప్పటికే ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నారు, ఎక్కడో ఊరి చివరి మీటింగ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, చాలా ఉండాలి. ఎవరు జనం వస్తారు? సీఎం అయితే ఓకే, అధికారులు పారాఫెర్నియాలు ఉంటుంది కదా, మామూలు వాళ్ళకి ఎవడొస్తాడు? రారు కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటెన్షన్. Right. The court says, historically, even our independence came through the so-called meetings by the roadside. The meetings on the highways, they constitute an important effect or facet of our life. సహజంగా ఎందుకంటే డెమోక్రసీలో ఉండేటువంటి అధికారం, democracy is a fundamental right. Yes, a right to criticize, right to peaceably assemble, right to hold assemblies. It is a fundamental right. You can't say that you cannot come here. Right. So the public meetings on the highways are ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ మీటింగ్ పెట్టినందువల్లే we got independence on 15/8/1947. Even in Andhra Pradesh, many padayatras, many processions, they were conducted on the public roads. So please remember, any GO which takes away the right of a political party to assemble peacefully, Article 19, Clause 3, to protest peacefully, that is the decency of democracy, it has to be viewed very, very seriously. So right to peaceful protest can be subject to reasonable restriction. No doubt, you can regulate. The police is there to regulate. And here the court said, in para number 2568 or so, Ramlila Maidan case, freedom of speech is the bulwark of democracy. So, no doubt, the government of India, government of Andhra Pradesh stated that the police is there only to regulate. But this arbitrary power to refuse permissions virtually takes away the powers of discretionary powers of the lower rank of the police department. So very clearly they have stated that G.O.N.1 is against to the principles of the Constitution, violation of fundamental right. It will not stand to the test of law, right? So this much I want to tell. I don't want to go into the political issues. Thank you.